Well, that's Mike from Custom Cruisers here. Here we are, EFI to carb kit again. This one here for a Sportster. Okay, you can see you got the manifold, beautiful manifold. This actually is for an HSR45. Guy might want to really tune the thing up, so we've got a nice big HSR45 on here, chrome top on it. This also is doing away with the loom, you know, all the ECU crap off an 07, and we're fitting a wire plus loom. Very good quality. We also do Ultima looms, you know, bad baggers, whatever they are, all different ones. But everything you need, all your spare jets, you got your adapter, your fuel tap adapter. There is another piece to go with that. Obviously your fuel pipe, your tap, and the ignition unit unfortunately isn't here at the moment, but it should have been. But UPS have had a problem, so basically this is all you need except the ignition, which is a complete crank sensor triggered system. Very, very good quality. And if you're interested in converting any of your bikes from EFI to Carburettor, give us a call. We also do the S&S Super Ease, which would basically just bolt straight onto here. Mikuni way better in my opinion, you know, for what that's worth. But I do prefer Mikuni. Very, very tunable, very good power, massively better economy as well. But give us a bell, 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com. Thank you.